I thought I needed a miracle. Turned out what I needed was science. The science of Senical, the fat eliminator. It binds with fat, then eliminates it. I lost 13 pounds in 2 months and now 28 pounds. With Senical, the fat eliminator to a new you.